Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I'm just about to make some banana muffins using my selizo Silicone baking cups. Follow along to see how easy these are to use. I love how they come in so many fun colors. I chose 12. I really love the size of them. You can see that they're made of a really nice moldable silicone and they fit perfectly in any regular size muffin tin. So now I'm going to start filling them with my batter. I really like the fact that they're really tall, so if my muffins or cupcakes decide to rise, which I hope they do, they definitely won't be spilling over the side and getting stuck on my muffin tin. Now let's see how easily these muffins come out of the liners. Oh look, my husband already stole one. Okay, look at that, so clean. It leaves very minimal muffin on the actual liner and they're very easy to clean. You've seen that these cups are amazing for baking muffins and cupcakes, but I also think because of their fun colors and small size, they would be so nice for kids' parties. You could cut up some fruit, some vegetable, or even put some nuts in here and the kids would just love it. So these are so versatile. You'll definitely love them. You'll be using them again and again. And that's my point of view.